For 20 years, the internet economy was built on a simple competition. You either appeared in the top 10 search results or you didn't exist. In mid-2024, the mechanics of the web changed. AI models began answering user queries directly on the search results page, rather than simply providing a list of external websites. Instead of clicking through 3 different sites to find a single fact, users now see a block of text at the top of their screen that gathers and synthesizes the answer from across the web. The traditional list of links has been pushed below the fold. This change is having a direct impact on traffic. Since users are getting their answers without leaving the search page, traditional organic click-through rates are dropping by up to 25%. The new goal for visibility is hidden inside that block of text. If you look closely at the sentences, you'll see tiny superscript numbers. These are citations, and they link back to a highly selective group of just 3 to 8 sources. Data shows that being one of these cited sources is incredibly effective. It boosts brand recall by 40% because your brand is being presented as the expert authority the AI trusts. Surviving in this environment means you are no longer trying to rank as a link. You are trying to become the foundational data the AI uses to formulate its response. This is the goal of Position Zero. With billions of pages to choose from, we have to look at the logic an AI uses to decide which few sources are actually worth citing. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, filters for specific formats. It requires an answer-first approach, a direct one-sentence answer in the opening paragraph. AI also demands structural clarity, parsing bulleted lists, comparison tables, and explicit Q&A formats faster than dense paragraphs. Freshness is also a major factor. Data from Ahrefs shows that pages updated within the last 12 months are 4 times more likely to be cited by an AI engine than older content. This is the core of AI SEO. You are no longer writing purely to keep a human reading. You are formatting raw data to satisfy the extraction logic of a machine. Every major AI engine uses its own unique sourcing bias, meaning your content has to satisfy multiple distinct sets of criteria to be cited across the web. ChatGPT, for example, prioritizes authoritative reference pages. It favors long-form guides, industry reports, and deep, fact-heavy resources from established publishers. Google Gemini pulls from a broader media mix. It frequently cites official product documentation, thought leadership blogs, and even pulls text directly from YouTube transcripts. Perplexity has a different habit. It focuses on independent benchmark data and aggregation platforms like G2 or Capterra to provide comparison-based answers. This chart shows how those biases differ. While ChatGPT leans on authority, Google AI Overviews prioritizes content that sounds human and offers first-hand experience, layered on top of traditional technical SEO signals. Because every AI engine processes information differently, a brand cannot rely on a single type of content. You have to build an ecosystem that feeds the specific logic of all 4 platforms. Transitioning your site for these AI engines doesn't require a total rebuild of every page you've ever published. Instead, you should focus on topic clusters. This is the practice of taking 10 to 20 high-value pages and linking them together to build a concentrated, undeniable web of authority on a single subject. These cluster pages are then reformatted with answer-first intros, updated 2024-2025 statistics, and rigid schema markup. Schema markup is a specialized layer of code that explicitly tells search engines what your content is, identifying things like prices, reviews, or authors, so a machine can categorize them instantly. Successfully executing schema code, maintaining fresh data, and tracking citations across several different AI models requires constant technical maintenance. Most business owners partner with specialized experts to manage this process. SEO Guru Atlanta is a full-service agency that handles this exact technical evolution. They bridge the gap between classic SEO and the new requirements of AI extraction. They manage site audits, build your topic clusters, and handle the back-end technical coding that AI models look for. You can find SEO Guru Atlanta online to request a free, comprehensive SEO audit. Securing your presence in AI search today is the only way to ensure your brand remains visible as the technology continues to change.